Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. Today's weekly stamping collab was hosted by Allie from Allie's blog, and these are the beautiful manicures that were prepared. At the end, I'll have individual photos, and you can find links to everybody's videos in the description box of mine. Let's get started. Since the theme she chose was to use something new, I decided to use as a base this gorgeous polish from Shai's World, and this one is called Hazelnut, and it's from her coffee collection. It's a gorgeous shimmery polish. To stamp, I'll be using this beautiful new Ejiubas stamping plate, EJB-X13. As always, you can find links to the products that I use in the description box of my video. My favorite thing about the Ejiubas plates, besides the fact that the images are so beautiful and really high quality, is the fact that they're double-sided, so you get images on both sides of the plate. For today's manicure, I'm going to be using images from this side of the plate, so let's remove the protective film. To stamp, I'll use my Black Beauty Bigbang Stamping Polish, which is number 2. Wow, that looks really cool. I really like that image. I clean up the excess with a piece of tape. I pick up the same image and stamp it on a few nails. After cleaning up, I'll apply my Born Pretty No Smudge Topcoat. To hydrate my cuticles, I applied my Shai's World Cuticle Oil, and here's a completed manicure. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!